For the next 3 videos, we will focus on creating a room and some decorations to hang on the walls. So start by selecting our current nodes and move them away for now, and disconnect them from the group output. To create a room, we only really need 2 walls, a ceiling and a floor. So in essence, we just need 4 planes positioned and rotated in the correct ways. Let's start with the floor. So add a grid and set the size X and Y to 7. Next, add a join geometry node. Then duplicate the grid node and connect that as well. This new grid node will build the ceiling, so add a transform node and set the Z translation to 3. To create a wall, duplicate the grid and transform node, and set the X rotation to 90, and the Y translation to 3.5. To create the other wall, duplicate the grid and transform node, and set the Z rotation to 90, Y translation to 0, and X translation to negative 3.5. To make sure that the ceiling and floor covers enough space when it's time to render, increase their size X and Y to something like 14. In the Materials tab, create 3 new materials called Floor, Ceiling and Walls. Use set material nodes to set the correct materials to the different parts of the room. For the floor, I will use a black color with a low specular value. For the walls, I will use a greyish light blue with the roughness set to 1. And finally, for the ceiling, I will use a white color also with the roughness set to 1. Next time we will create some stockings to hang on the walls. See you then.